Have you ever wanted to have a document accessible to all students so that they could listen to it through their iPad? Well, if you'll listen, I will show you how to do that with the OCR setting on the copier. Then select Device Settings. We are going to send this document to ourselves. We needed to provide the address the document's going to. At this point, we need to go to Data Format. We would like to send a file, and we need to make sure that the file is OCR text recognition that is turned on. So we hit the on button. It is in English, so we're good to go. From here, we have the OCR turned on. We do not need to do anything but hit OK. If you wanted to do two-sided, you may go up here and select two-sided, but we just have a one-page document. And now we are ready to send. We go hit the send button, and the document is now being emailed to me. Then we can upload it to Haiku. Thank you for listening, and I hope this helps.